Good morning, eighth graders. Happy Monday. Miss Ortiz and I are here to welcome you into this week with this fun and exciting project that we're going to be doing together for math and art. So we're going to be doing something called the Wheel of Theodorus, and you actually can see this wheel in a lot of places around you outside of just the classroom experience. And so we're really excited to bring in some elements from math and art into one place for you to see. And so the math aspect of the Wheel of Theodorus, you'll see we're dealing with right triangles. We're going to do some work with the Pythagorean theorem again. We're talking about square roots and rational and irrational numbers and the number line. And so that's going to find its way into this project. And so I'm really excited to be doing this with Miss Ortiz.
Okay, and then for art, in this project that we were working on last week, we started looking into the elements of art and incorporating that into the drawings that we do. We also started thinking about taking a basic shape and adding to that shape. What can you create with that basic shape? So with the wheel, we're actually going to think outside the box as well, and how can we incorporate this wheel to create a composition where it's either something in nature, something that you see in everyday life. It can be a cartoon, something that incorporates not only the elements, but now we're also adding the principles of design. And I'm gonna break that into a separate video, what those elements, just a reminder of what the elements are, and then the principles of design and incorporating those, how does that look like, and give you guys examples of ways you guys can incorporate that into your wheel. But I'm also very excited in doing this project because it's my first time as well, kind of incorporating math and art. And I know with you guys, you've always like, oh, why are we doing math and art when we're like measuring things and you're trying to figure out why, and this is the reason why. We always want to kind of join classes together because it's an awesome experience for you guys, and you guys also learn ways to collaborate with your other classes. So I'm excited and happy we're actually working on this together.
Thank you, Miss Ortiz. Yes. And to go along with that, this idea of we're not just giving you this project and then we're going to be doing everything separately. We really want to honor the fact that this is one project for both classes. And you know that we've been doing math and art on the same day, and that's really helped because we knew this project was coming. And so to stick with that, Miss Ortiz and I will be doing joint office hours on Monday and Wednesday. This is the day you have math and art. And so on those days, we're going to work in the same Zoom. So we'll push out that link on the digital agenda. And that's from 11:30 to 12:30. And again, that's on Monday and Wednesday. So we're just combining our office hours. That way you can get help from both of us at the same time. And we'll also be posting on Google Classroom. We'll both post the entire project guidelines, but then we'll break down. So look to the math classwork to see what you're supposed to just focus on that day, and then also make sure you're looking at your art Google Classroom so that you can see exactly what the expectation in art is for that